Hi friends, today in social study subject I am going to teach you one of the important concept, that is northern mountains. And in the northern mountains, last lecture we have seen information regarding Himalaya. Today I am going to teach you about the middle desert Himalaya. My friends, there are three important ranges to the Himalaya. Those are Himadri, that is called one of the tallest range, as well as Himachal, and then Shivalik. Friends, see here carefully. These are Himalaya ranges. Here first Himadri is there. Regarding Himadri, in last lecture we have taken proper information. Today I am going to teach you proper information regarding the middle lesser Himalaya, that is known as Himachal. So we will take information. The middle lesser Himalaya is the range of Himalaya. It is also known as Himachal. And my dear friend, this Himachal range is located between Himadri and Shivalik. What is mean by Himadri? What is mean by Shivalik? And what is meaning of Himachal? We will see. These three all are ranges, and this Himachal range is located between Himadri and Shivalik. Have you understood? There are three ranges. How many ranges? Three. In between that, first is Himadri, second one is Himachal, and third one is Shivalik. We will see what is meant by Shivalik, why Shivalik, this type of name is there. We will see all information. But now, see, these are three ranges: Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. If in examination question comes, write the place of Himachal range. That time answer will be Himachal range is located between Himadri and Shivalik. Very good. So have you understood this concept? Yes. Okay, one by one we will go. We will not learn in hurry. We will take proper knowledge, but how? Stepwise. Okay, so see here, second one point, Himachal and Himadri. Comparison between them. See, as per this diagram, tell me which range is taller? Himadri. So here, Himadri is taller than Himachal. Concept clear? Yes. Very good. And the next important point, and though one of the greatest point, is this valleys. Do you know meaning of valley? Yes. Beta, you tell me.
Valleys are in mountains. There is between gap is called valley.
Okay, as per his knowledge, he is telling gap between two mountains. It is correct. Here I am mentioning deep space between two mountains is called valley. Am I correct?
Yes.
Is there any issue? Is there any problem? No. So valley, if you understood, then between Himachal is the range. In Himachal range, in this range, there are some valleys. First valley name is Chamba. Chamba. Second one is Kulu. Kulu, not Kulu. Chamba, Kulu, and Kangra. You will think, sir, we have learned, we heard Kangaroo. Here is Kangra. Is there any mistake? No. This is correct. Chamba, Kulu, and Kangra. These are three valleys. So in examination question will come. Write the name of valleys are in Himachal. So that time your answer will be, what will be the answer? Kullu, Chamba, Kangra. Chamba, Kullu, Kangra. Very funny names are these. Am I correct?
Yes.
So we will take benefit of that funny name Chamba. In whole day you have to pronounce Chamba Kulu Kangra, Chamba Kulu Kangra. Immediately, definitely you will understand very well and you can recite very well. So next point, hill stations. Some hill stations are there between Himachal. Otherwise in Himachal there are some hill stations. So we will see names of those hill stations. Will you tell me what is meant by hill stations? Has anybody?
So,
हाँ बेटा.
in mountains, some houses are there.
Okay. It is region. It is region between hilly area. We can see different type of spaces, different types of land. Those lands are useful to enjoy. Means we can enjoy. We can go there for spend our time. So hill station means very tall area, that is upper region of that particular hill. So there are hill station. We can say, see, in our general life, in our regular life, always we listen names or some places names like Shimla, Darjeeling. Hey Gargi, where are you going? Sir, I am going to Darjeeling. Sir, if anybody asks, hey Ishan, where are you going? Ishan will tell, sir, I am going to Shimla for enjoyment, for celebration. Shaurya will say, sir, I am going to Mussoorie for enjoying our vacations. So these are hill stations, and a lot of Indian as well as different types of peoples are going there for celebration, for spending their vacations. And these are hill stations. Those hill stations are located in, those hill stations are included in Himachal region, Himachal range. Have you understood?
Yes.
Shimla, say, repeat after me. Shimla,
Shimla,
Mussoorie,
Mussoorie,
not vegetable of Masoor. Keep in your mind, Mussoorie, it is a place, it is a hill station. Nainital,
Nainital,
Almora,
Almora,
and Darjeeling.
Darjeeling.
These are hill stations are in Himachal region, Himachal language. Have you understood?
Yes.
Very good, very good. The next point here, one question I am going to ask you, and you have to find meaning of those concept. That concept. Will you find?
Yes.
Here one statement I have given: escape the summer heat. You have to find meaning of these. Then I will see have you understood really or not.
Yes.
Those places are escaping the summer heat. So what is the meaning of that statement? You have to tell me tomorrow. Have you understood, Sanva? Very good. And see, some types of different types of trees are there. Trees are there where? In Nikam sir's house?
No.
Near Nikam sir's surrounding. So where? Tell me.
Himalaya.
Himachal. In Himalaya, there are three ranges, and between that three ranges, today we are learning Himachal. In Himachal region, there are some trees. Name of trees are different: pine tree, oak tree, as well as deodar tree. Those are the most important trees are in Himachal. Concept clear?
Yes.
Okay, bachcha log, very good. So, as per your yesterday's knowledge, as per your today's knowledge, will you give me one answer?
Yes.
I think you do not have energy. Okay, so may I ask question?
Yes.
Okay. Hold your hands and listen carefully. Is it possible to do farming in Himalaya? Why we can't do? Wait, better you come ahead and tell me why we can't farm there.
Sir, because in Himalaya is covered with snow
Very
every
good.
time. Because of snow, we cannot do farming in Himalaya.
Very good, very good. See, very good. Better go, you can go. In Himalaya, there is too much hot climate. Am I correct?
Yes.
He is telling yes. What I said, hot climate.
No.
In Himalaya, in that region, too much cold climate is there. And always cold climate is not suitable for cultivation for farming. Because of that, we can't do farming in Himalaya region, in that region. Concept clear?
Yes.
In examination, definitely question will come. Which type of question? Yes, it is possible to do farming in Himalaya region. Tell us true or wrong. Okay, so this type of question will come. So have you understood this sufficient part today?
Yes.
Once again we will revise this. You will give answer now. I hope you have understood very well. Now each and everyone will give answer. How many ranges are there? The first range is, second range is, and third one Shivalik. Keep in your mind. Tomorrow I will tell you meaning of Shivalik. It is related with our God Shiva. I will tell you. Then located where this Himachal range is located? Between Shivalik. Very good. And valley's name. Now see, tell me name of valleys. I will not show you. Champa. Very good, very good. Kangra. Will you tell me hill station? Shimla, Mussoorie, Almora, Kashmir, Darjeeling. Very good. And one of the Nainital. Trees name. Will you tell me name? Pine, oak, and Devda. Okay, so I hope you have understood whatever given concept properly. Friends, today read this lesson once again, and parents, this point I have taught carefully to your word. Tomorrow I will teach you Shivalik ranges one by one, stepwise we will go ahead. So my dear parents, take reading of your student as well as ask them at home which type of topic sir has taken. Then definitely your word will be improved. Okay, so thank you very much.